Can you solve this question? Read it and try once. This is from Human Eye and Colorful World chapter. This is a very important question. It comes almost every year. This was asked in 2023, but this question is asked in different ways in 2024, 2025, and before also. Myopia, the reason for myopia is either excessive elongation of the human eye, like it becomes more bigger, and also excessive curvature of the lens.
Wow!
So due to this curvature of lens, excessive curvature of lens, the lens will focus too far, whereas the retina could be here. So image should be formed over here on the retina, but lens will do it over here. So this is the reason for myopia. So here is the correct answer. You can pause the video and you can take a screenshot or note it down. Here is the image. The answer is excessive curvature of the eye lens and elongation of the eyeball. So these are the two main cause of myopia. Myopia, don't forget, it's nearsightedness. The people cannot see very far objects. Now, the correction can be done with which kind of lens? It's concave lens. Here, if you remember mention, it is a concave lens. Here, problem has been shown the normal eye, and here in myopic eye, it will get focused much before the retina. This whole thing is retina, and with concave lens, it can get focused properly.
Oh!
Now, as a bonus, I will tell hypermetropia because it also comes, and some important points I am going to tell. So, here is the human eye, cornea, and in the center there is lens. That inside there is iris. This colorful thing you are seeing is iris. These are ciliary muscles which helps in the curvature of eye so that we can focus easy peasy. And this is the muscles that help us to move the eye, rotate the eye.
Wow!
One bonus, rotate your eyes and look at your finger close and then very far. If you do this exercise, you may not become battery. If you don't want to need to wear the specs, you better take care of your eyes by doing these exercises.
Yes, sir!
Now, here this behind is retina and here this is the optic nerve which helps in seeing. These are tear glands. They are actually natural cleaner. These are good so that our eyes will be clean.
By the way, friends, if you forget to subscribe Best Classes channel, then you can search on YouTube at best.pandeysir. Till the next time, Bharat Mata Ki Jai and best of study. And don't forget the glorious phrase of Pandey sir. Push past your limits.